Welcome back to All About Home Decor. Today, we're diving into some of the most stylish and chic home decor ideas that will elevate your space. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your living room, create a cozy bedroom oasis, or turn your entryway into a welcoming statement, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover how small changes can make a big impact. Why? The power of neutrals. Let's start with the power of neutrals. Using shades like soft beiges, creamy whites, and light grays creates an airy and sophisticated foundation. Not only do these colors create a calming effect, but they also make it easy to add pops of color or texture through decor accents. Try mixing different tones and textures to keep things interesting. A velvet cushion, a cozy wool throw, or even a linen curtain can add depth and character to a neutral palette. Add personality with statement furniture. Next, bring personality into your space with a statement piece of furniture. Think about an eye-catching sofa, a beautifully crafted coffee table, or a luxurious accent chair. These items serve as focal points and instantly add style. Look for pieces with unique shapes or luxurious fabrics, like velvet, leather, or marble accents, to bring an upscale feel to any room. Mix modern and vintage decor. One of the chicest trends in interior design is blending modern and vintage decor. A sleek modern sofa paired with a classic antique coffee table or a contemporary art piece alongside a vintage lamp creates a balanced and curated look. Mixing styles adds personality and depth, making your space feel uniquely yours. Layering with textures and patterns. To create a truly chic look, layer your space with textures and patterns. Don't be afraid to experiment. A few patterned pillows, a textured rug, or even a decorative wall tapestry can add dimension. Just remember to keep a balance, stick to a few key colors so your space looks cohesive, rather than overwhelming. Accessorize with art and decor. Art and decor are essential in making a space feel complete. Choose pieces that reflect your style and complement the room's color palette. For a chic look, consider black and white photography, abstract art, or even a few sculptures. Wall art, decorative trays, and stylish vases can enhance any area, from your living room to your bedroom. Add greenery and natural elements. Don't forget the magic of greenery. Plants are a simple yet powerful way to make a space feel chic and welcoming. Try placing a large potted plant in an empty corner, or arrange smaller plants on shelves or coffee tables. If you're looking for something low maintenance, dried flowers or pampas grass in a sleek vase can give the same organic feel. Thank you for watching. Remember, creating a chic and stylish home doesn't require a full renovation. With the right decor and a few thoughtfully chosen pieces, you can transform your space into a stylish sanctuary. Be sure to subscribe for more home decor ideas and let us know in the comments which chic tip you're most excited to try.